Hey there! Welcome to another yoga class at Adriana's Flow. My name is Adriana, and today I have a 15-minute yoga class that is perfect to lengthen and strengthen your spine and improve your overall posture. You might need a couple of yoga blocks, so go ahead and grab them and let's begin. Let's start seated down at the back of our mat. Cross your legs in front of you or take any other comfortable position. Sit up nice and tall, place your palms over your knees, and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths here, full inhale through the nose and full exhale through the nose. Do a little body scan, take a mental note of the areas that feel most tense, and consciously with each exhale, release them. Now gently open up your eyes. Inhale, lift the arms over your head. Gaze can follow the fingertips. Then exhale, right palm grounds to the side. Left arm extends over your head and gently reaches over to the right. If you can, maybe ground your right elbow and keep the shoulders stacked. You can gaze in front of you or maybe try and look under your armpit. As you exhale, come back to center. Inhale, lift the arms over your head. Exhale, right arm goes behind you. Left palm goes over to the outer edge of your right thigh and twist to the right, trying to look over that right shoulder and to the back. Remember to twist from the belly button up and resist moving the hips. Exhale, release the twist, come back to center. Inhale, lift the arms overhead, and let's repeat it on the other side. Exhale, left arm grounds to the side, right arm reaches over your head and gently bend to the left. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, lift the arms overhead. Exhale, left arm grounds behind you, right palm to the outer edge of your left thigh and twist to the left. Keep on breathing deeply. Exhale, release the twist, come back to center. Inhale, lift the arms over your head. Exhale, bring them in front of your heart. Slowly come onto all fours into your tabletop, wrists under your shoulders, knees under the hips. Inhale, send the belly button down. Try to look up into your cow. Exhale, tuck in your tailbone, chin to chest, arch the back. Inhale, drop the belly button down. Exhale, arch the back into your cat. Repeat with your own breath. Now lift the right knee off the mat, bring the heel towards your butt, reach the left arm to the right foot, thumb pointing down. Inhale, kick the leg up as you open the chest forward and open the left shoulder to the back. Keep the belly engaged. Keep lifting up. Exhale, release. Step the right foot forward. Inhale, lift the arms over your head. And as you exhale, try to send the hips as low as you can into your low lunge. Engage the glutes, keep the hips square, and point the tailbone down. Arms are actively reaching up opening your chest. Exhale, ground both palms, send the hips back over the left knee, extend the front leg, flex the right foot, and gently as you exhale, start folding forward. Keep breathing and try to lower down with each exhale. Keep the spine nice and long, only folding from your hips. Inhale, slowly lift up, bend the front knee, and slowly come back into tabletop. Tuck in your toes, engage your belly, and inhale, lift the knees off the mat into our hovering tabletop. Keep on breathing and keep that belly engaged. Now as you exhale, gently send the hips back and up into your downward dog. Keep your knees bent if you need to, or pedal it out if that feels good. When you're ready, find stillness. Exhale, step the right foot forward, lift up, ground the back foot at a 45-degree angle, square out your hips, inhale, lift the arms overhead, elongate the spine, exhale, start folding forward to wherever you can. Maybe you can ground your palms on the mat, if not, use your blocks for support. Or maybe you can explore and bring your palms in prayer behind your back, pulling the elbows up and back to open the shoulders. Keep both feet engaged. Whole legs are trying to support the weight of your body, your belly engaged, given your low back support. Now exhale, come back into tabletop, and let's repeat it on the other side. Left knee lifts off the mat, heel to your butt. Right arm reaches for that left foot with the thumb pointing down. Inhale, kick the leg and arm up, opening the shoulder and your chest. Keep breathing deeply. Engage that back leg, kick it up as high as you can. Exhale, release. Step the left foot forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hips forward and down into your low lunge. If you can go that low, keep the left knee over that left ankle. Exhale, ground both palms, hips back over the right knee. Extend the left leg, flex the left foot. As you exhale, slowly start folding forward. Keep on breathing. Keep the spine nice and long, folding from the hips. As you inhale, slowly lift up and come back into tabletop. Again, tuck in your toes, engage the belly, and inhale, hover your knees. Actively push the ground away with your palms. Try to create a straight line in your back. Exhale, hips up and back into your downward dog. Notice if this downward dog feels easier than the first one. Exhale, left foot steps forward, lift up, round the right foot, point the toes at 45 degrees. Inhale, lift the arms overhead. Exhale, start folding forward into your pyramid. Again, do the same variation as you did on the other side. Place your palms on the mat or on your blocks, or bring your palms in prayer behind your back. Keep your body engaged and strong. Exhale, release your palms. Step the foot back and gently come down into your child's pose. Take a few deep, restful breaths here. Allow your spine to realign. With an inhale, lift slightly up. Walk your palms forward and gently lower all the way down onto your belly. Ground your forehead, engage your inner thighs, pull them towards each other, press the tops of the feet into the mat, and extend your arms to the front. As you exhale, swing them and point them back. Inhale, bring them forward. Exhale, swing them to the back. Strong arms, engaged shoulders. Now swing your hands back. Keep them here. Or if you can, on the next inhale, lift your forehead and chest off the mat. Keep pulling those arms back. Stay here, or maybe interlace your fingers behind your back, and as you inhale, lift the chest even higher and allow the feet to lift and point to the back. This is your locust pose, a great way to strengthen your back muscles. And exhale, release back to the mat. Gently push yourself up. Come back to child's pose. Keep breathing and release all tension. As you inhale, gently lift up, turn around, and with control, with the strength of your core, gently start lowering yourself down onto your back. Bring your right knee into your chest, give it a little hug. As you exhale, extend your right arm to the side and lead your right knee over to the left side for a spinal twist. Keep both shoulder blades grounded on the mat. Allow your spine to twist deeper with each exhale. Now come back to center and let's switch sides. Exhale, bring the left knee into your chest, give it a little hug. Extend your left arm to the side and exhale, guide your left knee over to the right side. Your gaze can be straight to the sky or follow those left fingertips. exhale, come back to center. Bring both knees into your chest, hug them in. Rock a little bit side to side. And gently extend your legs down. Feet slightly wider than your hips. Allow your palms to fall open. And release fully into your final pose, shavasana. Do a little body scan again. Notice if the areas at the beginning of the class are now feeling softer and lighter. Stay in your shavasana for 5 minutes or for as long as you need to. Thank you so much for joining today's class. Let me know if you enjoyed it by giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more classes like this. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.